My name is Juniel A. Fuentes. You can call me Niel for short. My expectation about this trend is quite easy to me because I had experience how to be a nail tech. I also perform nail extensions, manicure, and pedicure, but I think I had to learn some things that are not familiar to me. And I'm willing to learn about this trend to improve myself. And the reason why I chose this trend because I always been really into self-care and grooming. I especially enjoy doing nails and makeup. It's something I'm really passionate about for a long time. I love the idea of turning something I enjoy into skills. I can use help to others feels good about themselves. And for the last, here here are the one of my works that you